We're now about to work the last of the one stitch decrease at the beginning of the last alternate row, the third alternate row, and you can actually see the shape of it now. So there were the three decreased stitches at the start of the first two, and I've done 3 rows or 6 rows where I've actually decreased 1 stitch at each end. I'm now about to do the last row. So once again, decrease 1 stitch, taking that slip stitch over. So I've knitted 2, I slipped the 3rd stitch, knitted the 4th and slipped the 3rd stitch over. I'll show you that again. So I pick up, so I knitted 2 stitches, slipped the 3rd, knitted the 4th, passed the slip stitch over. Now I'm going to knit to the end again and do the final decrease. Here we go, nearing the end, and once again knit 2 together. So we go like that, bring the yarn through both, knit the last 2. Now you can see how neat that is and how neat that end is. What you can't do though at the beginning, when you're casting off 3, you couldn't do 3 slip stitches the same as that fashion, because you need these to go under the arm. So it's a different style of cast off than these, and the same at that end. So what the pattern then says is, after doing all those decreases, a pattern will always give you in the brackets, it will tell you what you need to have. So we have just cast off the 3 stitches at the beginning of the 2 rows. We then decreased 1 stitch at the end of the next and the following 3 rows, which should leave us with 49 stitches. And I would advise that you count between rows, but we're just going to do a count now to make sure that I've got 49 stitches on my needle. 2, 4, 4, 6, 8, 49. There are indeed 49. So to take us now up to the shoulders, we have to work 25 rows straight. So the first row will be a purl, so you're working on the back of the work, and then 24 further rows of what they call stocking stitch, which is 1 row plain, 1 row purl. So I'll finish off up to the shoulders, and then I'll come back to video and show you how to shape them.